Okay, I'm working on putting my quarter panel on and kind of going a little bit of time. I've never done this before, so make sure I don't screw up. Here's what I've got done back here so far. And I had already replaced the center panel where the tail lights go. And now that I'm doing this, I think it probably would be better to do the quarter panels first and then that. I'm not really sure. But anyway, got all this cut out here. I think maybe I might have cut too much out there. I'm going to have to build something across here because I think something sticks up there. Not sure. And got this cut out. The quarter panel goes underneath there. This part of it. Right there. Goes underneath that. That's what I'm thinking. But I could be wrong. Because the way that window channel looks like it all rides on top there. So anyway, I've got that done. Had a bunch of rust out through there, and you see my really ugly welds. Forgive my shaky hands. There's a bunch of big rust holes there. I welded that up, grind it down. I got to put some epoxy over it. Now, the quarter panel, the factory one, looked like it went under here, but it is built completely different than what this one was. I cut two pieces off here. That was the first part I cut off. Had this weird looking tab. And then I decided to cut off some more. It went like that. Because I don't want to draw all these welds out, pull the roof up and flex it and bend it and everything. So I'm just going to make this part way over the top of that, right there. There's a big impression there anyway where all the lid was at. So that'll just fill it up more and I'll have less body filler I got to put there. And I'm going to have the joyous time of trying to weld that down in there with a MIG welder. Really not. I'm almost thinking of just grinding that, getting this in place, put some JB weld on it, and then clamping it down, hold it, weld everything else. That's my thought so far. This part here grips in behind that, and I went ahead. I don't want to cut all this off because since I've got so much of the car cut apart, my doors were all shut and good and all this and that, so I'm leaving that striker where it was at. I'll put this on there, get this in place, put the door back on the car, make sure this quarter panel lines up. We'll go from there. I know my videos are not high quality. Shaky hands, waving the camera all around, all this and that, but some guys ask about showing me asking about how to put this quarter panel on. And I'm new to this. I've been a body man and paint guy for 26 years. But panel replacement was never my cup of tea. I never did it. Now I see why the body men, or the metal guys, got paid a little more than what the paint and prep guys did. It's a lot of work. I wouldn't want to do it for a living. But I love my Nova, so I'm going to fix it. Anyway, that's this video, and I'll upload another as I go. Thanks for watching. Like and share if you so please.